My name is Elle. I take philosophy A-level. We learn a lot on the course about knowledge and what knowledge is and how we acquire it and how we can apply it to sort of everything in our lives and other work. Stephen is a really great teacher. He makes lessons enjoyable and engaging, and our class is quite small, and he kind of facilitates a lot of conversation and discussion within it rather than just making us copy out of textbooks and things. After this, I'm planning to go to university for hopefully history, but I've been looking at joint degree options for philosophy as well. So I think this course will be helpful in sort of whatever I want to do next. You meet a lot of people because it's close to a lot of other cities like Brighton and Eastbourne, so there's a lot of people who come here and they have really interesting experiences. I've met a lot of people that I wouldn't have met otherwise.